Let me ask you one question. When was the last time that you did any security testing? I mean, the word security or the word hack, attack is more and more often present. People say, well, the US is attacking Russia. Russia says the US is being attacked by Russia or China. So cyber attacks. And you're a tester. I mean, people would ask, can you do this? You would say, well, I want to, I'm learning it. However, when you're learning web security, you have a really big problem, I would say, in the sense, where do you test your skills? You cannot just go and say, well, this is my local bank, I'll just try to hack it. Well, that's illegal. If you manage to hack it, you have a problem. If you don't manage to hack it, you still have a problem because you try to hack it. So, as a normal and as a good tester, what do? Well, you search online top sites to view or to do security testing. And by doing such searches, you end up with top 10, top 15, top 5 platforms where you can do try this, try that. It's not bad. I mean, it's really good that this article exists. I like them. But in the end, or at the end of the day, 90% of them have the same list. Now, I have a question for you. Another question. I know, keep asking questions. What if I told you I can provide to you a list which is being kept up to date? You only need to go to one website and you only need to take your pick. You only need to have a look at what is there, to have a look at the list, to actually be able to um, take your pick at whatever site, whatever um, platforms you want to try and test your hacking or your penetration or your web security skills on. Don't believe me? Well, give me 1 second. The second has passed, and here is the link, or here is a little bit of spoiler: OWASP. If you do not know OWASP, well, from my point of view, they're the, I don't know, superheroes of web security. What is OWASP? Well, the OWASP, or Open Web Application Security Project, is a foundation, a non-profit foundation that has as main focus security testing, or better said, improving the security of software. It has a humongous list of articles, of tutorials. They publish each year the OWASP Top 10, where you get the top 10 vulnerabilities to watch for in the topic of security. But what few people know is that they actually have what we were talking about, and that is a list of sites where you can practice security testing. Let me show you. It is actually called OWASP Vulnerable Web Application Directory. And it doesn't only have web applications, it also has mobile applications. So, like I said, it's a full directory. So if you want to do mobile applications, the penetration testing, you have here a full list. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mobile applications for which you have the URL, and then you have guides on how to do the setup, a little bit of guide on how to get started, and then you're good to go. If you do not want to do mobile and you're used to doing web, you have this online section where you have a list, a really big list, I would say, of sites where you can practice penetration testing. And the nice thing is, so besides the guides, if, for example, you want to be an expert in hacking, let's say, different technology types, so You have here the technology, you have PHP, you have Go, React, Python, JavaScript, and you just need to click on the link, follow the guide, and you're good to go. And there you have it. This is the list I would recommend. Have a look at the list. Write in the comments which one do you think is better suited for you. Do you have another option that you can add to the list? They have a GitHub repo where you can submit suggestions for items that can be added to the list. So get to it, have a look, try it, hack something, or practice your penetration testing skills. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.